cool to jump down in there and go swimming? Because it was warm?
If it was warm, it was great. Beautiful. There's another waterfall back behind me.
Yeah, there's one up there too.